wa Mwiiri mwena wa Safari Park guku Nairobi na kuria ahinyiriirie muungano wa ugima wa mwiri gukorwo makana sekta itiganite cia kiumbe gukorwo ikinyitanira hari guteithiriria thirikari gukinyaniria mibango ya ugima wa mwiri gukiria uguo ni ugite ati honge ici cia kiumbe ikiri na itemi inene hari gukinyaniria utungata wa ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi.
As we begin the health financing dialogue, it is important to note that Kenya is undergoing various transitions that need to be considered as we journey towards universal health coverage.
The government has set aside about 141 billion Kenya shillings for the health sector. The government is definitely making a very deliberate and precise statement that this is a sector that must continue to receive all our support.
We are now championing UHC
is therefore putting emphasis on preventive healthcare through revamped community and primary healthcare services.